Hi guys, good morning. So I just came on Duolingo and I found this and I don't know what this is about, but it's just 8 XP and you can't select your XP. I'm trying to click on 16. I'm trying to click on 40. Let's try 8 XP. I feel like working for 8 XP is like a waste of my time. Okay, 2 minutes and 30 seconds. How do you say your?
El aeropuerto está en una ciudad grande.
Metro.
¿Dónde está la parada de autobús? Los
Oh, come on.
estudiantes necesitan camisas para la escuela.
Mamá, ¿por qué usas mis zapatos? ¿Qué? Usa mis
Because
zapatos.
I gave birth to you and I can use anything I want. I had 2 minutes to do that and they gave me a minute and 30 seconds to do a lot of work that involved so much writing. The good thing is at least I have a 4-day streak. Okay, so before I go off, let me see what's next. Not now. Okay. Do I get to select? So I'm trying to select 16 XP. It's not working. So 12 XP. Let's see. The same 2 minutes and 15 seconds. How do you say travel?
Viajar. Yo quiero comer un sándwich en el café.
So I have to just eat it at home.
Cerca.
Yo necesito tomar el autobús en la mañana.
Sorry I'm being slow. Um,
Calle. El
how do you say the town? I would go for
pueblo.
Yeah. Tiene
Tiene
dos
dos
supermercados.
¿El supermercado está lejos de aquí? Supermercado.
El restaurante está
Cerca de
de
la
la
estación de tren.
Francia tiene muchos trenes. Tiene muchos trenes.
There's something more important I should be doing right now. Bye, guys. Yeah, not continuing.